चल रहा है. Let's show you those visuals. Those are the live visuals that we are getting from outside DK Shivakumar's residence. And let's go across to Paul to get live updates. Yes, Paul.
We are right outside DK Shivakumar's house here. And
Paul, if you can hear me, take us to what's Yes, go ahead.
Well, yes, his brother DK Suresh came here and he walked up to the gate and he requested the CRPF to actually let in. This is not the first time that he's coming to the residence and asking to be allowed inside. And at the gate, the CRPF clearly said he will not be allowed as the IT raids are carrying on now. And there is heavy deployment here. And that is when his supporters as well as people who had come with him actually created a ruckus here, saying that he should be allowed inside. He said only one person, that is his brother, should at least be allowed inside. Wherein the CRPF as well as the local security here cleanly denied. They said the raids are going on.
Yes, Paul, we'll connect with you in just a bit. Those are the live visuals we're getting from outside DK Shivakumar's residence. And as Paul was saying, DK Shivakumar's brother DK Suresh came there and he requested the authorities, the officials, that he wants to go inside, but he was stopped. और उसके बाद वहां पर हंगामा होता हुआ तस्वीरों में भी कैद हुआ है. ये लाइव तस्वीरें हैं DK शिवकुमार के घर के बाहर की. उनके भाई DK सुरेश वहां पर पहुंचे हुए हैं and he wants to go inside where the raid is currently being conducted. And in fact, the officials are inside DK Shivakumar's residence. बाहर सिक्योरिटी डिप्लॉयमेंट है और उन्हें अंदर नहीं जाने दिया जा रहा है. पॉल फिर से हमारे साथ जुड़ गए. यस पॉल, गो अहेड.
I got beautiful visuals. What actually happened was DK Suresh, DK Shivakumar's brother, actually came here along with his supporters. If I can show you the house, there is huge deployment here. Even now, our conversation is going on. DK Suresh walked right up to the gate there. You can see the CRPF personnel right inside. And he said he has to be let inside. And the supporters created a ruckus saying it is not fair not allowing his own brother inside, because even before he had tried and he was not allowed inside. But eventually, after a conversation, DK Suresh has been allowed inside. He just moved into the house right now. The people who you see here are his supporters, and we are wondering, initially they had said they will not allow him inside, but it was after the ruckus was created by supporters that they said they will allow him inside. As of now, all we know is that he has walked into the house. We will wait to see what actually happens after that.
Right. Paul, it is also very important to mention that while the Congress party is backing DK Shivakumar and saying it is a political vendetta, DK Shivakumar's mother came out and said that, in fact, Siddaramaiah is behind the raids. So the family on one hand is accusing the chief minister there. That's very important to mention.
Well, absolutely. In fact, clearly she was trying to say that as the Chief Minister Siddaramaiah should take more initiative, he should try to save his minister, because being the energy minister, he's part of the cabinet and he's not doing enough is what really comes out, is what the mother is trying to convey. Time and again, we are seeing vehicles actually coming in and going out, IT officials who are heading out with a few bags. We're not sure what is inside the bag. Here, even now, you can see one vehicle actually entering the house. You can see the vehicle actually going inside the house, and even some time back we saw two vehicles leaving the house. Heavy deployment of police in the area trying to keep the situation under control. Even on the other side, we can see the whole street has been barricaded. Media personnel also trying their best to remain. We are kept on the other side. A special place actually arranged for media so that we don't keep entering the area.